Passive profits. Ideas for millionaire income. Empower yourself to build effortless income streams for financial success and a relaxed lifestyle. Number 1. Create and sell online courses. This is a smart way to generate income on autopilot. Once you've put in the effort to design your courses, people can purchase and access them anytime. Platforms for hosting courses handle the technical stuff, making it super easy. Imagine, while you're chilling, your courses are out there, earning money for you. To make it even more exciting, you can continually update and expand course offerings, attracting more students and increasing your passive income over time. So, get ready to share your expertise and make learning a lucrative venture. 2. Build and monetize a blog. When you build a blog and fill it with valuable content, you can make money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like content management systems make it simple to get started. Your blog becomes an online asset. It keeps working for you, even when you're not actively writing. So, as you share interests or expertise, a blog quietly turns clicks into cash. Also, you can collaborate with brands related to your niche for sponsored content, creating an additional revenue stream. Remember, consistency is key in the blogging world, so keep providing value to your audience and watch your passive profits grow. 3. Stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially participating in the growth of businesses large and small. Diversifying your stock portfolio is crucial for managing risk and enhancing potential returns. Keep a vigilant eye on market trends, and stay informed about economic developments. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure your stock investments align with financial goals. This strategic approach allows you to harness the power of the stock market for long-term wealth accumulation, while freeing up your time for other pursuits. 4. Develop and sell digital products. Digital products are another cool way to make passive profits. Think eBooks, printables, or software. Once you've created them, people can buy and download without you doing anything extra. Platforms for showcasing and selling your creations can help you get started. Put your skills to work, create something awesome, and let it bring in the bucks without constant effort. Additionally, consider offering exclusive bundles or limited time promotions to attract more buyers and create a sense of urgency, boosting your digital product sales. 5. Earn rental income. Explore the transformative potential of real estate investment, particularly in acquiring properties for rental purposes. Your tenants become a reliable source of income as they pay rent regularly, providing a steady cash flow. Taking care of the initial setup and occasional maintenance allows for a relatively hands-off approach, turning the daily operations into a hassle-free money-making venture. Imagine it as running your own real estate business, without the usual headaches. Embrace the power of technology to enhance the rental experience further. Utilize digital tools to streamline tasks such as tenant acquisition and payment management, optimizing efficiency and reducing the time and effort required for property management. Looking to achieve financial greatness? Join us at braylnavy.com and embark on a journey towards financial mastery. Your potential for success is boundless. Subscribe now. 6. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Choosing a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit is a smart way to manage your money. High-yield savings accounts have higher interest rates, helping your money grow securely. They are easy to access and act as a steady source of passive income while keeping your finances flexible and stable, even during uncertain times. The stability of these accounts shields your funds from market ups and downs, providing peace of mind. Certificates of deposit offer a structured savings plan with fixed terms and higher interest rates. When you commit your money for a set period, CDs provide a reliable and guaranteed return on your investment. This can be helpful for specific financial goals, like saving for a big purchase or creating a safety net. While this method might not be as exciting as riskier investments, they build a strong foundation for a secure and steadily growing financial portfolio. The choice between them depends on your wealth goals, how much risk you're comfortable with, and how flexible you want your funds to be. 7. Build a niche website and use AdSense. Embarking on the journey of creating a niche website provides a unique avenue to connect with a community that shares your passions. This endeavor allows you to explore and delve into the subjects you love, sharing insights and building relationships with like-minded individuals. The integration of Google AdSense further elevates this experience by transforming your dedication into a revenue-generating venture. As visitors interact with the displayed ads on your website, a dependable stream of income is established, turning your interests into a valuable financial asset. The scalability inherent in this approach ensures that as your website gains popularity and passive income grows proportionally, making it a reliable and continual source of financial returns. This not only allows you to pursue your passions, but also provides a sustainable means of supporting your endeavors. 8. Publish and sell eBooks. Stepping into the world of self-publishing opens up a gratifying platform for writers who wish to share their literary creations with a global audience. Some online platforms offer a seamless way to distribute your ebooks on a worldwide scale. As readers purchase and download your ebooks, you earn royalties without the burden of managing physical inventory. The scalability of this business model becomes apparent as your sales increase, translating into a more substantial and consistent passive income. This transformative process turns your creative pursuits into a sustainable and enduring revenue stream, allowing you to monetize your writing skills and reach a broader audience. 9. Dropshipping business. For aspiring online entrepreneurs, dropshipping offers freedom from managing physical products. By marketing and selling products without handling inventory or shipping, this model reduces upfront costs and operational complexities. This low-risk entry into e-commerce allows you to acquire products only when a customer places an order, streamlining the online retail process. It's a profitable venture without the usual inventory headaches, offering a scalable approach to online success. This allows you to concentrate on growing your customer base and expanding your product offerings without the burdensome tasks often associated with traditional retail. 10. Invest in a high-yield savings account. Like giving your money a comfortable home to grow. Unlike a regular savings account, high-yield ones offer a better interest rate, letting your money earn more over time. It's a low-risk option provided by banks, ensuring your funds are safe while steadily accumulating. Think of it as a secure way to watch your money multiply without worrying about market ups and downs. Achieving millionaire income through passive profits is a tangible and realistic goal for many. The key lies in identifying and implementing effective strategies that align with personal strengths and interests. Diversify with real estate, stocks or other assets for steady financial growth. Moreover, the power of automation cannot be understated. Leveraging technology and online platforms can streamline business processes and create passive revenue streams. This could involve setting up an online business that generates income with minimal ongoing effort. Embracing innovation and staying informed about emerging opportunities in the digital landscape is crucial for those seeking to build substantial wealth. In essence, the journey towards millionaire income through passive profits is about persistence, adaptability and a strategic mindset. It requires continuous learning, the ability to spot lucrative opportunities, and a commitment to long-term financial goals. By carefully navigating this, people can pave the way for financial success and create a lifestyle that allows for both wealth accumulation and personal fulfillment.